we go to the grocery store. The grocery store, the grocery store. Except we don't say grocery store, it just fits the meter. Because really, a grocery is a grocery store, a grocery is a grocery store, a grocery is a grocery store. So saying grocery store is like saying grocery store. It is totally redundant.
And these were not the pictures are. The pictures are not. The peaches are not here.
The peaches are not here?
No, not at this store. They're not at this store.
They're peachins? Peachins. Peachins.
Dad, I want to call you, but they don't have cards. They don't have cards. They do have cards. I'll go in the car when you go in there.
That's what you're doing. We're in a hurry. All right. Don't forget, we gotta wear masks.